Tommy.
That's how you tell it's on? The red light's flashing?
Yeah. You know it.
Yeah.
Ready to go.
Yeah.
There you go, ziplining 101. Lots of stairs there, Tommy.
Yeah.
Keep it moving.
Alright, so come on up here facing me. What's in here? Crunch forward a little bit. Alright, stand right on your tiptoes.
I want you to go up on the toes for me.
Excellent. Grab onto the handle and take a seat in the harness. Okay, so show me how to go fast. Got it. Show me how to slow down and stop. Any questions?
Nope.
Alright, that thing going?
Yeah.
Alright, perfect. Good, alright, enjoy it.
It should be, right? The red light?
Yep.
Yeah.
Ready, Marky?
Yeah, man, let's go.
Alright, so pull down on the handle.
Time to go in 3, 2, 1.
Woo!
Whoa! Whoa!
Oh yeah. You guys are
Yeah, man.
serious. Stand up.
Let go there, let go of that. Yep. There you go.
However,